Hi there, my name is Sarah James from JessieJamesBeads.com, and I have a really fun tutorial for you. If you are a member of the Magical Mystery Bead Box, you will notice that you had a special little "What's this" project in your bead box. So I'm going to dive right in, take out the contents of the project, and show you how to do it. Come on, let's go.
Okay, the first project that we'll be making from the Whale What's This kit in our Magical Mystery Bead Box is this gorgeous nautical rope bracelet featuring the primitive earth silver-plated pewter magnetic clasp. So what we need to do is cut the bracelet, cut the cord to the size that we wish it to be. You could do a double wrap or a single wrap like I have right here. My wrist is 7 inches in length, so I'll take my ruler, measure out 7 inches, and I'm going to make a little mark at the 7-inch spot with my magic marker here. Now this part's key to be able to get the cord properly into the clasp. You want to take a piece of tape and wrap that cord where you just made your mark. Putting the tape around here ensures that the cord doesn't fray. Otherwise, you'll have a whole mess to deal with. And we don't want that. Okay, now I'm ready to cut my cord at the mark that I've made. Using super sharp scissors, give it a little snip. Nice and flush, ready to go. Next, you're going to take your clasp and open it so you have 2 separate pieces. Then you want to take your glue. I'm using super tight glue, but you can use E6000, anything that you have that you're comfortable with using that's going to give you a nice strong hold. This holds really fast and really strong, so that's why I like this brand. Now you'll very gently squeeze a little bit of glue into your finding. With this super tight glue, a little goes a long way, so just feel it out. Next, you want to take your end of your cord, stick it in the end finding, wiggle it all in there, give it a nice little press to let it hold to itself. Then you'll do the same process on the other side. A little bit of glue. Stick the end finding inside. Give it a little press. And then I'm just going to let my bracelet sit like this, not clasp it yet until it's dried all the way. And here you'll have your finished project. Really sweet, fun, and easy. So I'll set that off to the side. And right now, we are going to make the triple wrapped denim cord bracelet. For this bracelet, you're going to need your denim cord, your Tiara Cast Blossom Series end findings. They're perfect, so cute. Your Jessie James toggle clasp, and the little jump rings that we've included. You'll only need 2 jump rings for this project, but we gave you an extra 2 just in case you want to add some dangles or any other kinds of bits and baubles around the bracelet. All right, let's get it going. Taking the denim cord out of its wrapper. So for this bracelet, I want to make a triple wrap. My wrist length is 7 inches, so I know I need to measure out 21 inches of cord. Here's my ruler. Got 1, 2, 3 wraps of a bracelet, and a snip right there. So now this is the part where we really recommend you to use some nylon jaw pliers. If you don't have them, please just squeeze very gently when you stick this beautiful, beautiful little end finding on top of your cord. Squeeze on the front, squeeze on the back, and one more just for good measure here. Okay, we're secure. One side, wiggle it on in there, repeat. And we are all set. You can reinforce this with a little bit of glue, but honestly, these tiara cast end findings are so nice and so durable. You really, just as long as you give it a good squeeze, your cord is gonna stay put where it belongs. So now just a simple part of opening, closing some jump rings, adding the clasps, and we have got a bracelet ready to go. So here's my jump ring. Grasp it with one flat nose plier, grasp it with the other. I'm going to open the jump ring front to back, never side to side. Stick one cord ending in, stick the toggle piece in, and close it on up. That was easy. One more side. Toggle, bracelet, close it up. We are ready to rock. So now all you need to do is wrap, wrap, wrap. Connect the toggle clasp. Oopsies, am I on camera? We're doing our best here. And look at that, you've got a really stunning, beautiful wrap bracelet, got these gorgeous findings on the end of it, and you could jazz it up with a couple extra dangles, or just leave it as is. This is a super fun bracelet to add to your stack, and it has gorgeous components that really give it a polished, finished look. So here's,
Guys, thanks so much for joining and making these really fun beach cord projects with me and Jessie James Beads and our entire Magical Mystery Bead Box crew. Bracelets turned out really fun, super easy, fun, and quick to put together. So thank you again for being part of the Magical Mystery Bead crew. I hope you have a great day, and let us know if there's anything that you'd like to see special in upcoming issues of the Magical Mystery Bead Box. Bye!